Hello and welcome to another quarterfinal in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Mount Airy All-Age from Westmoreland up against Hagley Park Prep from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. And let's begin with section 1. Earlier on, we had the coin toss. Mount Airy 1 decided to have Hagley Park go first. And in this section, questions will be asked alternately of each team. They will have 10 seconds in which to answer and will earn 1 point for each correct answer. We begin with Bible knowledge. Hagley Park, after he fled for his life, under which tree did Elijah sleep?
A fig tree.
Incorrect, it's a juniper tree. Mount Airy, to which city did Jonah head initially when he was told by God to go to Nineveh?
Tarshish. Tarshish.
That's correct. Science, Hagley Park, which weather instrument measures how much rain falls in a given amount of time?
Rain gauge.
That's correct. Mount Airy, which weather instrument measures humidity?
Hygrometer. Hygrometer.
That's correct. International affairs, it's a visual, Hagley Park. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Czechoslovakia.
Incorrect, it's St. Martin. Mount Airy, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed here.
Anguilla.
That's correct. English language, Hagley Park, what is the meaning of the prefix D or de as used in the word defrost?
Down.
Incorrect, it's reverse or remove. Mount Airy, what is the meaning of the prefix dis as used in the word disown?
Not.
Incorrect, it's separation or away. Theatre for Hagley Park, it's visual. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Zendaya.
Incorrect, it's Madison Pettis. Mount Airy, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Kiki Palmer.
Incorrect, it's Coco Jones. We move on to general knowledge. Hagley Park, in which country is the Great Barrier Reef?
Australia. Australia.
That's correct. Mount Airy, in which country is the Kremlin?
Russia. Russia.
Correct. Social studies. Hagley Park, which 2 colors does magma usually glow with when it flows out of a volcano?
Red and yellow.
Incorrect, it's red and white. Mount Airy, what is the name of the very small solid particles that are emitted into the atmosphere by volcanic explosions?
Ashes. Ashes.
Correct. Music. Hagley Park, what is the stage name of the Jamaican artist O'Neil Bryan?
Elephant Man. Elephant Man.
Correct. Mount Airy, what is the stage name of the Jamaican artist Garfield Spence?
Conscience. Conscience.
That's correct. Mathematics, Hagley Park, what is the value of the Roman numerals M, M, L, V, I,
2008.
The answer will be 2058.
Judges? Okay, correct. Mount Airy, what is the value of the Roman numerals M, X, L, V, I?
1046.
1046.
Correct. Sports, this is a visual, Hagley Park. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Samuel Harrison.
Incorrect, that's Kim Collins, former St. Kittian sprinter. Mount Airy, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Wayne Van Der.
Incorrect, it's Atto Bolden, TNT sprinter. That's the end of section 1 with Hagley Park on 4 and Mount Airy on 7. So we go for a break, but before we go, listen out for the friendly tip from NCB. During study and homework time, allow yourself to check your phone only once per hour. Get off Facebook, Messenger, YouTube, and other distractions. Save them for when you are relaxing. When we come back, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, so please stay with us.